Guys, we recently just bought some snacks from a Japanese store in Carousel, Western Australia. We're gonna try them. So basically, we have two. We got the fish skin. And we got the shrimp flavor. Okay, so I'm actually really scared to try these. So what we're just gonna do is so this is the fish one, and this is the shrimp one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the fish one first. This is actually kind of like surprised, cause like the texture is like orange and like long with sesame seeds in it. All right, 3, 2, 1. And to show you that I'm actually chewing it. That one's not good. Oh no. Oh no. Next is this one. This is the least one, cause the shrimp one is the spicy one. Not really good with spices. So 3, 2.